The art of makeup isn't just about enhancing beauty. It's about crafting a look that lasts through every hour of your day. Whether you're facing a full workday, a night out, or a special event, having your makeup stay flawless is key. Achieving long-lasting makeup doesn't require a professional makeup artist. It simply requires the right techniques and tools. Here are 5 expert tips to ensure your makeup remains vibrant and fresh from morning to night. 1. Prep your canvas. The importance of skincare. Before you even reach for your makeup, the foundation of any long-lasting look is well-prepped skin. Think of your face as a canvas. Smooth and hydrated skin allows makeup to adhere better and wear longer. Cleanse. Start with a gentle cleanser to remove dirt, oil, or leftover makeup. This ensures your base is clean and free of impurities. Exfoliate. Exfoliate 2 to 3 times a week to slough away dead skin cells that can cause uneven texture. Hydrate. Choose a lightweight moisturizer tailored to your skin type. Even oily skin needs hydration to balance oil production. Prime. A makeup primer is a game changer. Look for one that suits your needs. Mattifying for oily skin, hydrating for dry skin, or pore filling for a smooth finish. Primer acts as a barrier between your skin and makeup, preventing it from slipping or settling into fine lines. Don't forget SPF! If your primer doesn't include sun protection, apply a lightweight sunscreen beforehand to shield your skin. 2. Choose long-wear products wisely. Not all makeup products are created equal. For a long-lasting look, opt for products specifically designed for extended wear. Foundation. Look for formulas labeled long wear or 24-hour. Matte and semi-matte finishes tend to last longer than dewy ones. Concealer. Use a high-coverage, crease-proof concealer to ensure your under-eye area remains flawless. Powder. Set your base with a finely milled setting powder to lock everything in place. Focus on oily areas like the T-zone. Eyeshadow. Invest in an eyeshadow primer or cream base to prevent creasing and fading. Long-wear cream eyeshadows or waterproof formulas are excellent choices. Lipstick. Liquid lipsticks, lip stains, or matte bullet lipsticks often have the longest staying power. Layering a lip liner underneath can add extra longevity. Waterproof mascara and eyeliner are non-negotiables for ensuring your eye makeup stays put through sweat or tears. 3. Master the art of layering. Layering your products is an essential technique for creating a long-lasting makeup look. This involves applying products in thin layers and building them up gradually. Foundation and concealer. Start with a small amount and blend well with a sponge or brush. Build coverage where needed without overloading. Cream and powder products. Apply cream blush, bronzer, or highlighter first, and then set it with a powder version of the same shade. This layering method enhances longevity and pigment intensity. Eyeshadow. Use a cream or liquid base before applying powder eyeshadow. This ensures colors pop and stay vibrant throughout the day. Lips. Line your lips with a matching liner, fill them in, and then apply your lipstick. Blot and reapply to set the color. Less is more. Thin, even layers prevent caking and make it easier for products to stay put. 4. Set it and forget it. Locking your look. Setting your makeup is one of the most critical steps for a long-lasting finish. Here's how to do it. Setting powder. After applying foundation and concealer, lightly dust a translucent or tinted setting powder over your face. Focus on areas prone to oil like the forehead, nose, and chin. Setting spray. A setting spray is the final step to seal your makeup in place. Hold the bottle about 8 to 10 inches away from your face and mist evenly. For extra staying power, use a spray designed for long wear. Touch-up products. Keep blotting papers or a compact powder handy for quick touch-ups throughout the day. Avoid layering too much powder, as it can make your makeup look heavy. Use a damp makeup sponge to press setting powder into your skin for a flawless, airbrushed finish. 5. Avoid common makeup mistakes. Even the best techniques can fall short if certain mistakes are made. Avoid these pitfalls to ensure your makeup lasts. Skipping primer. Skipping this step can cause your makeup to fade or slide off more quickly. Overloading products. Applying too much product can lead to creasing and caking. Stick to thin, buildable layers. Touching your face. Constantly touching your face transfers oil and dirt, breaking down your makeup. Ignoring your skin type. Using the wrong products for your skin type can cause your makeup to wear off unevenly. Always carry a travel-sized setting spray or compact for midday refreshes. Tailor your routine to the occasion. Different events call for different makeup techniques. For instance, everyday wear. Focus on lightweight products and natural tones that are easier to touch up. Special events. Go for full coverage products, waterproof formulas, and heavier setting techniques to withstand long hours. Outdoor activities. Choose sweat-resistant and SPF-infused products to protect your skin and makeup. Your long-lasting makeup blueprint. Achieving long-lasting makeup doesn't require a magic wand. It's about preparation, the right products, and expert techniques. By following these 5 tips, skincare prep, choosing long-wear products, mastering layering, setting your makeup, and avoiding common mistakes, you'll be equipped to create looks that last all day. With a bit of practice, you'll find yourself confidently stepping out with makeup that stays vibrant and fresh, no matter where your day takes you.